I'm Holly. Welcome back to my channel. I have a new box for you, and this is the first part of the video. The other part is gonna have to wait until my grandkids get here because, well, I can't do it without them because, well, it's a box that you're supposed to do with your grandkids. And they went home and left me here by myself because they are punks. So when they get back here tomorrow, we're gonna finish out this video because, well, I'm gonna have them do that because they're punks and they left me here by myself. So let's do the first part because this part will probably, they would say, I'm bored, I don't want to do this anyway. So we're gonna do this part so I don't bore them to tears because they're teenagers and they probably get bored anyway. So we're gonna do this part so we don't bore them to death, and you and I won't be bored, but they'll be bored. So this box is called Grandma's Joy Box, and this box is $33.32 a month, and it is a monthly box encouraging togetherness, joy, and experiences to share with the grandkids in your life. So this box was sent to me to review. I'm trying to close one of these windows so I can see what I'm talking about. And they ship their subscription boxes on the first of the month. If the first falls on a Saturday, Sunday, or a holiday, they will ship on the following business day. You will receive an email with a tracking number when your box is on its way. The shipping cost is an extra $7.50. Unfortunately, it is not included. They only ship within the United States. The subscription automatically renews and you can cancel it at any time. So each month, Grandma's Joy Box delivers a box full of creative ways to make memories and enjoy time together. The monthly subscription box is planned around a unique theme and includes a book, activities both grandma and grandchildren can do together, coordinating crafts and materials needed to help create lifelong memories, and it includes 4 to 6 high-quality items centered around a monthly theme to engage with your grandchildren and create joyful memories. Each box includes a book with activities both grandma and grandchildren can do together, and all the materials needed to help create these memories are included in this box. So let's open this box. And this is what the box looks like when it comes to your home. There it is. And that's just my address on that side. And it's a beautiful, pretty yellow box. And that is such a cute little logo. I just love that. Let's open this. I already cut the seal so that we can get right into it. This very heavy box too, by the way. Ugh. Open up, open up. All right. That's what it looks like when I open it up. Very pretty card on top. All right. I think a candle just went out. Okay. And it says, thank you for taking a look at our box. Have fun, Debbie. Thank you for sending it to me, Debbie. That is a very pretty card. Very pretty. And this is the card that was on top. And it says, Grandma's Joy Box. Oh, joy, it's here. And the theme of April's box is bird watching. Our goal is to join our children in learning new things about birds. You can build a relationship while reading, journaling, building a feeder, and watching birds come to eat. Don't make it too academic, but remember to take each step and make it a joyful moment to build lifelong memories. We encourage all subscribers to join our subscriber-only Facebook group. And then she lists her group, and I will list that down below. If you're interested in birds and you want to join their Facebook group, then I will list that down below. And it says April 2019 bird watching, and that is the card. And then on the back, it lists everything that's in the box. And then there are trivia questions for bird watchers. And here is a recipe for homemade suet. I think that's how you say it. and I will hold that there. So if you want to pause the video and you would like the recipe for the homemade suet, I'm holding it there, and then you can pause it and you can write that down, and you can make your own homemade suet for birds. I think that's how you say it. So you can make your own, and then you don't have to go to Walmart and buy any. So, all right, first thing we have is, let's see, high energy suet. This is high energy suet for birds, attracts a variety of birds and brings much enjoyment to bird watchers, young and old, to use. Remove from the packaging and hang from a cage. Bore a hole through it and hang it by a ribbon, or crumble it up and put it in a feeder. So this is that recipe for the homemade suet. That's what this is. That is very nice, and it is soft. Very nice. Cool. Cool. Oh, all right. Let's see here. Colorations Easy Build Bird Feeder. Oh, well, I guess me and the grandkids are gonna make a bird feeder. Okay, no tools needed for this Easy Build Bird Feeders. All wooden bird feeders snap together easily for a craft that's fun to create and decorate. So you just snap it together and off you go. Oh, well, alrighty then. So we just snap it together, and I think what we're gonna do with this is I'm gonna snap it together, and then tomorrow I'm gonna have my grandkids paint it, and we're gonna give it to my stepfather, who is not feeling well. As some of my subscribers know, he was just diagnosed with prostate cancer, and he's not doing very well. But he sits in his chair and he watches out the window, and he has several bird feeders. And I think I'm gonna have my grandkids paint this for him, so that we can have it hanging out outside the window for him, so that he can watch the birds. I think that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put this together for him, and then I'm gonna have my grandkids paint it, and you guys can watch my grandkids paint it, and then we're gonna hang it outside the window for him, so that he can watch the birds. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. So you guys are gonna watch me put this together, and then watch my grandkids paint it. Okay, next, and we have a book. If I can get out of the box. Okay, this book is a bird journal notebook. Kids will love this journal. If you have multiple children, one can do the writing and another can do the drawing. Journaling teaches watching for and documenting details. Oh, that is very neat. There it is, the journal. Oh, come on now, book. And there's the inside of the book where you can write down the name of the bird, the day, the date, the weather, the wind, the time you saw the bird, where you saw the bird, the features, the actions, what you were doing, your notes. And over here you can draw a picture of the bird. That's very neat. That's a neat little idea. And then it is just, all the pages are the same in the book, where you can draw and write down all the information about the bird. That's a very neat idea. Very neat idea. I like that idea. And then we have Sibley's Birding Basics. How to identify birds using the clues in feathers, habitats, behaviors, and sounds, by David Allen Sibley. This is a great resource for parents, grandparents, and caregivers to learn alongside their children. Oh, isn't that neat? That's very neat. Superb for ease of perusal and inspired blend of artistry and accuracy and attention for salient details. This guide is unequaled. Oh, all right. Oh, there's even a bookmark in here. Isn't that nice? Grandma's Joy Box bookmark, okay? And then when you open it up, it tells you about the birds and how to draw them, the structures of the tail and the wings. That is very nice. Oh, we passed the page. There's about the feathers. That is so neat. Oh, there we go. That is so neat. A hairy woodpecker and a downy woodpecker. They show you the differences in the birds. That is a very neat book. I like that. Very neat. And it tells you, it shows you how to identify rare birds. Very, very nice. Oh my goodness, there's still something else in here. Friends. Oh, wait. Friendia Feather Gel Ink Roller Ball Pens. It says pens, but there's only one pen in here. Okay. It's a pen. Now, isn't that just so neat? It is a pen. Let's see here. Yep, there's the, I just wrote right there. There we go. Very neat. Oh, I like that pen. Very cute pen. Okay. Oh man, what the heck did I just do? I think I just ruined the pen. Okay, get back on there. I don't know what I just did. I think I just destroyed the pen. I'm not so sure. Oh no, I didn't. Okay. I think that was supposed to come off. Very nice pen. There's a, oh, there we go. Very nice pen. This is Friendia Feather Gel Ink Roller Ball Pens. Comfortable and fun to use, these feather-shaped ballpoint pens will be a great tool for documenting and coloring in your bird journal. Also included is trivia cards that I showed you, the trivia cards. That is a very, very nice pen. Very nice pen. So it says pens, but there's only one pen in here. So that is it for this box. I am going to put the bird feeder together. I'm going to speed that part up though, because I don't want you guys to, like, you know, get bored. But and then I'm gonna have my grandkids paint it, and I will take a picture of it when it is finished, and then I'll come back when it's all done. Okay, be right back.